Hello everybody, welcome back to my next video. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to be cooking spicy mussels soup Italian today. So we're just using 2 cans, garlic and parsley. I'm not going to show that. There's one. So I'll just cut that off. How?
Just cut it up. So yeah, because
Up
we've got
there?
to you've got to fry it in the pan. 6 anchovies.
Gonna put them there.
Yeah, small. What is it? A small tablespoon of capers.
Yeah. Ugh. There you go. So what else?
Okay.
And use the spinning machine. Shove everything.
Might just have to cut it in half, or put half in. Yeah.
Like that?
Yep. Okay.
And put.
Yep. Okay, put the top on. No, the white top.
Is that right?
Yeah, I think so. Push it down and see if it. A bit more, it's not.
A little bit more?
Yep.
I'm just going to halve it.
Okay, we'll cut it on the board.
I'll leave it there.
And you just
What else?
just give that a little swirl to get cooked.
I think I put too much oil in.
Yep.
Ow! Ow!
Now the parsley. I'll get the gravy. Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Okay. Now the chili. Chili. some on your finger. The other one. Okay, now the tomatoes.
No tomatoes. No tomatoes.
In the other can.
I'll just mix some.
Okay.
Oh, that's splattered on me.
Okay, so we'll just cook that a little bit, then we've got to cook the mussels.
The mussels are cooking. Woo! Look at this thing.
Oops. Chicken's going to eat that tomorrow. Just
The mushrooms, yeah.
Just empty the whole thing.
The whole thing?
Yep. Wine and all. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, give it a stir. You use the ladle.
Okay. I think we might just have to use water. Huh? Thank you for watching my video how to make spicy mussels soup Italian. If you guys want this recipe, the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye.